Alright guys, let's solve this equation quickly. It says 2 raised to the power of 4 plus x is equal to x raised to the power x. Okay, so how do we solve this? First thing to do here is to bring all parameters with x on one side and keep the whole numbers on the opposite side, okay, of the equal sign. Now this can be written as 2 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 2 raised to the power x to be equal to x raised to the power x. And this follows from the law of indices that states that a raised to power m times a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Alright, so this follows from this law. Now, the next thing to do here is that we are going to divide both sides by 2 raised to power x. Okay, so we'll have what's left here to be 2 raised to power 4 to be equal to x raised to power x over 2 raised to power x. Okay, so this means that 2 raised to power 4 will be equal to x over 2 all raised to power x. Okay, you just factor the powers from the two of them. Now let's divide both powers by 2. Okay, so we'll have 2 raised to power 4 divided by 2, which is 2, is equal to x over 2 raised to power x over 2. Now this is the point I want you to compare. You compare this with this. So you can see that from here we have x over 2 and we have 2. We have x over 2 and we have 2. Okay, so this variable tells us that x over 2 is equal to 2. Okay, therefore x is equal to 2 times 2, which is 4. Cheers.